What if you could monitor your entire construction site without even being there? In 2026, drones are making this possible, transforming how construction projects are managed, tracked, and delivered. But are drones really taking over construction, or are they simply making it smarter and more efficient? Drones are no longer futuristic tools. They have become an essential part of modern construction. From capturing real-time site data to improving communication between teams, drones are helping project managers make faster, more informed decisions. They provide a new level of visibility that was once impossible with traditional methods. Construction drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, are equipped with high-resolution cameras and advanced sensors. These tools allow them to capture detailed images, videos, and measurements from above. Instead of relying only on manual inspections, teams can now access accurate site data instantly, saving both time and effort. One of the biggest advantages of drones is real-time site monitoring. Project managers can track progress daily without physically walking across large and complex sites. This not only saves time but also ensures that potential issues are identified early before they become expensive problems. With drones, you can see exactly what is happening on your site at any moment. Drones also improve accuracy in data collection. They can create detailed maps, generate 3D models, and measure distances with a high level of precision. This reduces human error and helps teams plan more effectively. Accurate data leads to better decision-making, which ultimately improves project outcomes. Safety is another area where drones are making a significant impact. Construction sites can be dangerous, especially in high or hard-to-reach areas. Drones can inspect these locations without putting workers at risk. Instead of sending someone into a hazardous environment, a drone can capture the necessary information safely and efficiently. In addition to improving safety, drones help reduce costs and save time. Faster inspections, better planning, and fewer mistakes mean that projects can be completed more efficiently. Companies that use drones often gain a competitive advantage by delivering projects on time and within budget. Drones also enhance communication across teams. Visual data collected from drones can be shared instantly with stakeholders, engineers, and project managers. This ensures that everyone is aligned and working with the same information. Clear communication reduces misunderstandings and improves collaboration. Another powerful benefit of drones is their ability to support progress tracking. By capturing regular aerial images, teams can compare site conditions over time. This makes it easier to measure progress, identify delays, and ensure that the project stays on schedule. Visual tracking provides a clear and transparent view of project performance. Drones are also playing a key role in surveying and mapping. Traditional surveying methods can take days or even weeks to complete. With drones, the same work can be done in a fraction of the time. This speeds up project planning and allows teams to move forward more quickly. However, despite all these advantages, drones are not without challenges. Regulations can limit where and how drones can be used. Weather conditions such as strong winds or rain can also affect their performance. In addition, operating drones requires trained professionals who understand both the technology and safety guidelines. Even with these challenges, the benefits of drones in construction far outweigh the limitations. As technology continues to improve, drones are becoming more reliable, more affordable, and easier to use. This makes them accessible to a wider range of construction companies. Looking ahead, drones will continue to play a major role in the future of construction. They will become even more integrated with other technologies such as artificial intelligence and building information modeling. This integration will unlock new possibilities for automation, efficiency, and innovation. So, are drones taking over construction? Not entirely. Human expertise, experience, and decision-making are still essential. However, drones are transforming the way construction projects are managed. They are powerful tools that enhance human capabilities rather than replace them. The construction industry is evolving, and those who embrace new technologies will have a significant advantage. By adopting drones, companies can improve productivity, reduce risks, and deliver better results. The future of construction is not just about building structures. It is about building smarter. If you want to stay ahead in this rapidly changing industry, now is the time to explore how drones can fit into your projects. The tools are available, the technology is ready, and the opportunities are growing every day. The question is no longer whether drones will be part of construction. The real question is how you will use them to transform your projects and achieve greater success.